again. This is the second part of today's lecture, today's presentation, today's conversation, however you describe it. We'll continue with the topic here, how to disagree with the instructions or how to decline an offer or a suggestion. Okay, let's say, for example, we just met and we engaged in a conversation. I said, Dumela, Dumela. And then I ask you what your name is. I say, Libitso. La hao ki mang. Let's do this together. Libitso. La hao ki mang. Again. Libitso. La hao ki mang. That means, what is your name? So, if you were asking me the question, I would respond, Libitso laka ki Victoria. Libitso laka ki Victoria. Libitso laka ki Victoria. Notice in the question, Libitso la hao ki mang. Okay, so Libitso means name. Name. Libitso means name. Laga means of me. That's literally. Laga, it means of me. Ki means is Victoria. In other words, name of me is Victoria. And Libitso laga ki Victoria. That's how you say it in English. And again, this is why I don't encourage translation, because you can see the kinds of problems we are running into here. So, now let's go back to the question. Let's translate the question into English. Name of you. Name of you is who? Name of you is who? Remember we said Libitso is name, La is of. How? That means yours. But we say of you here. Of you is who? This is who. Okay. I'll circle the English translations so that you can see them. So all of the English translations have been circled for your convenience. Okay, name of me is. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, so now we are talking about negation. You ask me, Libitso la hao ki mang. How do I negate that if I don't want to tell you my name in Sesotho? I say, remember, haki, haki. Remember the prefix? Haki. I tell you hakizibi. Hakizibi means I don't know. That means I don't want to tell you my name. Hakizibi. So that is one way we can use negation if you don't want to share your information with strangers. Sometimes they ask you, where do you live? where is this, where is that, whose car is this, you just say, ha ke tsebe. Ha ke tsebe. Ha ke tsebe means, I don't know. What is your name? Ha ke tsebe. It means, I don't know. So, let's go over this again. Libitso la hao ki mang. How do you answer? Libitso laka ki Victoria. Well, okay, so I'm going to ask you a question and see if you can answer me in Sesotho. So I want you to turn down my request, turn down my, just turn me away, don't give me any information. Whose wallet is that? How do you answer in Sesotho? Hakitsidi. Okay, and libitso la hao ke mang? Libitso la hao ke mang? Libitso la ka ki Paulos or Paul. That means my name means Paulos. All right, ke tla go bona. Ke hantle. Ke hantle. Sala hantle.